So today is January the 18th and it's 3:30 a.m. here in California. So I couldn't sleep because I just got 3 orders yesterday around evening. So I'm just trying to finish what I left off before I head out to the expo on Thursday. And I plan not to close the shop because I'm only gonna be there for 4 days. So since my processing time is a little bit longer, I think if I have any order from Thursday to Sunday, I will do some of them on Sunday when I get back. So I think we're coming back Sunday early morning. So I'll try to get most of them done. I haven't any order from Thursday on, but I need to try to finish all the one that I already have now by Thursday morning because we're leaving Thursday afternoon. So I need to finish everything by Thursday morning. So now, last week I did not finish the outfit. I'm almost done. I just have to cut these elastic and put it through the high-waisted baby bloomer, so it'll be finished. I'm just cutting them now. So I think the waist one, let me check, it's 16 and a half. So I'm looking at the pattern on my computer, and then let me see, this is where it begins. So after I cut this, then I will go and finish embroidering these. So I'm going to be shipping out 4 orders today, and then also pack all my D-stash. So I've been clearing inventory, just clearing some space around here so I can have more space around this room. And this year I'm really going to be on a no spend for buying inventory and things, or even for myself. I just feel like this year I want to be more intentional, and that I will only buy like things that I need to replace for the business. So I will be showing you guys that in my budget, like how much I'm making for Etsy, how much I'm going to set aside to just pay for the material and supplies so I can keep the business going. So we will see that in the budget if you guys are interested in seeing that. I'm going to do it. I was going to do it today, but I feel like, okay, I still have 1 more week left for Etsy, so I will wait till I have the actual amount, and that'll give me some time to go to the bank and take all the money and count money with you guys. So if you guys are interested in the budgeting, I will be doing that at least twice a month. Okay, because I think it's important to do it early and then at the end to see the actual amount. So anyways, I will just be putting everything on time lapse so I can work. Okay, you guys, I'll see you guys, and then like if I have any updates later today or along the week. Hey you guys, so it's almost afternoon and I'm trying to package this up. So this is how much I was able to finish, and I have 4 more pending orders, so I'm going to get them out before I leave for the expo on Thursday morning. So everything needs to at least be shipped tomorrow. So tonight I will have to stay up a little bit late to finish as much as I can, because everything needs to ship out tomorrow, because Thursday I won't be able to ship anything out unless I schedule for pickup. So if I don't make it tomorrow, I have to schedule for pickup. Because I thought we were leaving to LA at 1:30, but my husband just confirmed my flight that it's at 8:30. So we'll be there early on Thursday, but I'm not going to the expo till Friday. So on Thursday, we're just gonna go have family time together. Anyway, so right now I'm just packaging, and I just do this easy packaging, you guys. Just a sheet of, just one sheet of tissue and my business card with the care instruction in the back. So that's all I do. If you guys haven't watched my other video of me packaging, I just kept my packaging super simple. So that's a. Anyways, I will see you guys in a little bit. I'm just going to be finishing this up. Hey friends, welcome to AquaBloomBoutique. If you guys are new here, you guys don't know who I am. My name is Z, so welcome to the channel. And before we head on this day and doing this video for you guys, I just want to let you guys know to hit the remind you guys to hit the thumbs up and also the subscribe button down the description below, and also the bell notifications, so you guys can get future notifications for my videos that'll be coming up for you guys. Today is just a work with me video type of day, but you guys see this is a little bit different thing because I need to do a little bit computer work. I need to just input these are the order that I got for the last 2 days, so I need to create the file first on the laptop so I can just embroider as I go without coming to the computer and fixing it and adding the names on it. So you guys just be seeing me working on the computer. Right now it's early morning, 5 a.m. here in California, and it's a Wednesday morning, so you guys would be just seeing me doing this first part, and then we'll be starting our day embroidering. And today is the day before the convention, so it's January let me ask Alexa. I don't know my day, so I have to ask Alexa. Alexa, what's the date today?
Today is Wednesday, January 19th.
Oh, so it's January 19th. So tomorrow is the expo. So yeah, I will probably film a little bit for you guys at the expo. I'm not going tomorrow at the expo, but we will be down there, and then I will head out on Friday. Hopefully I get to spy Angela at the Milk booth. Anyways, let's get to work, you guys. Hey guys, so it's already 2 p.m. in the afternoon and Cloud is taking a nap right now, so I'm gonna try to get some work done. I did 3 shirts this morning and I had to go pick up my kids, and I dropped my kids off at my in-law because tonight I have to pack and we're gonna be leaving early tomorrow to the Long Beach Impression Expo. So let's get to this and finish this shirt. This is the last shirt that I'm gonna try to finish and ship everything out, and then whatever I don't finish, I'm gonna finish tonight, and then I'm just gonna schedule for USPS to pick it up from my house tomorrow morning before I leave. I'm just gonna leave it outside so USPS can come and get it. And I'm so excited because I finally sold this design using this rainbow pastel vinyl. It's so pretty, you guys. So I put up this digital mock-up. It was a digital mock-up, you guys, and I didn't even embroider anything. It was just a digital mock-up that I did, and so I finally sold, so I'm excited about it. Plus I know that this design is going to stitch well because it's from Credit Applique, and Credit Applique, I know that she digitized her stuff really well, so I'm just gonna trust the design and stitch it out so for the first time, and I'm pretty sure it's not gonna mess up, but if it does, I still have extra shirt, but I'm crossing my finger. Sometimes I have done things like for the first time, it still turned out great, so I am certain that it will turn out great because I didn't resize anything, and I know Credit Applique, her designs are really well digitized because I have been using some of her designs before. So yeah, let's get to it, you guys. So I'm gonna be focused and concentrated and get this done so I can start shipping everything the end of today. So post office closed at 5 p.m. so I'm gonna try to finish, and so I'll see you guys later. Okay. Hey you guys, so it's already the morning of the convention and I'm still finishing the last 3 orders because I need to put it outside so the mailman can come and pick it up because I'm not going to be home for the next 4 days. So yeah, I'm almost done. I just have a little bit left, just this monogram shirt, and then put the elastic, sew the elastic onto the little bloomer, and then put tender touch on those 2 shirts. Like I have one more shirt sitting over here, so I just put tender touch on them, then I should be done. And I woke up like 3:30 a.m. today just to get these done. So I know it's gonna last minute, but that's just how it is because I was busy with Cloud most of the time, so I only got a little bit done each day. That's why I'm grateful that the amount of order I have, because I have to work around Cloud's schedule. So luckily I didn't have any orders yesterday, so if I do get any from today on, then it can ship up on Monday. Anyways, let's finish this monogram shirt, and this is a bing stitch, so I have to be, so bing stitch look like this, you guys. It doesn't do a satin stitch, it's already finished. I just have to leave like about 1/8 of an inch around it and then just iron it on. So yeah, so this is a quick stitch up, so I'm gonna be finishing this quick. So I'll see you guys later, okay? subscribe. Bye. See you next time. Bye.